All right, we back here. Got the 86 out. She's running good. Everything's looking nice. Just want to let you guys know what it's like being in a day in the life of daily in an AE86. It's not as fun as you probably think, but it is fun as hell. I didn't want to intentionally make it a straight race car, but that's kind of how it ended up. And I just want to let you guys know how it's going. So first of all, she's low. I mean, really low. Like a good 3.5 to 4 inches off the flat earth. So it's sometimes a problem when it comes to speed bumps and the normal things like a low life would probably come across. Other than that, it's fast as hell, so it's sometimes not so fun to drive slow in a fast car. But it is fun as hell driving a 86 every day. And the looks that I get, people see me riding on the road, I tell them hit me up, AMP86 on YouTube, show me some love and give me a sub. And it's otherwise really fun, other than not having AC, you know, that's always nice. But I do have heat, so this winter, expect some content. And it has power steering now, as funny as it is, and it steers incredible. It whips back and forth like a dream with that wider track width. And being able to get parts for an IS makes it so much better now. I've always loved the IS 300 and wanted an Altezza, dream car 86, so why not just slap them all together and do something they ain't nobody do before. And I think it worked out great. If you guys got anything you want to see that I've done, any kind of parts of the build, I'm going to go in depth and get more content coming your way as soon as can be. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. More videos coming soon.